ignore. But really, if we don't make it out the city, if we don't make it to the finish line, if I don't make it to your titties, I got the music for the vibers, I got the music for the vibers. And we don't you to talk about it, it's like you debating with a Bible. I'm really preaching to the choir. I brought the music for the vibers though. And then the chalice that keeps me low is your Morales. And he just smoking on the cabbage. I see you fucking with the gravity. I've been waiting for a challenge, besides waiting for the balance. And the apricot, and the rap with dot. And I left for a lot. I got some old hoes, and some new friends, and some rose gold, and some rose gold. But the fancy car that keeps me going. I know you ain't be talking to you, nigga. I know you. You are the fancy car that keeps me going. I know you. I got my eyes on you. I got my eyes and they shine like 1999. Like she mine. I got my eyes on you. I got my eyes and they shine like 1999. Like 1999. So fucking long you
It's that time, yeah. Bro, you got your strap, I got mine. We bout to spin on them niggas, it's that time. I ain't going for shit, nigga. Fuck around, get a hold of your shit, nigga. Fuck around and get a hold of your shit, nigga. And the bitches know I'm the shit, nigga. They look at my neck, they know I'm a rich nigga. Plain Jane Richard on the wrist, nigga. A half a ticket for the whip, nigga. I lose it all, I get it back with my wrist. Shit. But going broke, that thought don't even exist in my mind. I'ma get it with the stove, I'ma split it with the bros. Y'all get a bag and spin it with the hoes. They thought they had to drop, but a nigga on his toes. Got switches on the Glocks, bro, gon' hit him with the pole.
Another backwards, so I can take the pain away. I see you niggas over there hating pussy, better stay in your lane. Roll another backwards, so I can take the pain away. I hear you niggas over there mumbling, niggas stay in your lane. Your lane, my nigga.
I got a feeling you're not listening to me. A couple weeks was all you needed to breathe in, breathe out again. 'Cause I've been so disposable, I let you go to start a new ending. But I've been spending way too long trying to prove you wrong. Nothing ever would do. Took a little too much time waiting on a perfect line to send you, but I never got through. I got a feeling you're not leaning on me. What kind of magic did you need to believe in me? A little conversation, I got a new translation, and I found the meaning, and I'm not believing it's way too long trying to prove you wrong. Nothing ever would never got through. Every time we said goodbye, I could see it in your eyes. You wanna stay, but not today. Every time we start again, I'm afraid of rushing in to let you know I've always known. Way too long trying to prove you wrong. Nothing ever would do. Took a little too much time waiting on a perfect line to send you, but I never got through. Way too long trying to prove you wrong. Nothing ever would do. Took a little too much time waiting on a perfect line to send you, but I never got through. Way too long trying to prove you wrong. Nothing ever would do. Took a little too much time.
Straight on the basement mic. Hey man, fuck all these punchlines and shit, man. I just wanna tell a story. I just wanna have some fun back in the basement type shit. Hey yo, once upon a time, a couple of guys from out this world was talking rap and hip hop with a young synthetic girl. The year was 2115, the Babel space station was home to the very last of the human population. The captain name was Thomas, the infantryman was Kai, and he's the man that discovered the Ultra 85. Accompanied by a girl inside the ear, her name was Thalia. Made it ones and zeros, she was a program. You could ask her any question, even about the fall of man. Then one day they discovered a planet in deep space that nobody before them ever found, and they get a base. I mean, maybe it's the place that's meant for the human race, the planet paradise. God said that Thomas, my God, that'd be very nice. Traveling through outer space, we done had some scary nights, we done had some scary fights, all about that rap shit. God like that trap shit, Thomas love that boom bap shit. I wish God was real, I wish I could just get raptured. What if this planet full of aliens and we get captured? Don't think that way, my son. Everything gon' be fine, we finna have some fun. And if by chance we do come across an alien, I'ma blow his ass away with this here molecular gun. Set and kill, never stun. World one, we get it done. Now this ship is entering the atmosphere. We gon' take a look around and get the hell up out of here. We gon' double check that it's habitable and livable for man. And no matter what happens, you know we gon' stick to the plan. Understood? Understand. All good. Let's get it then. Once they touch down, nobody could hear a sound till they open up the ship or that repel.